How to use ChatGPT to create a healthy meal plan. So welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Heather from yogabyheather.com. This video isn't entirely yoga related. However, it is related in the sense that we want to put healthy things in our body as we are practicing yoga. So that's one of the facets of yoga, is treating our body well and feeding it with good, nutritious food. So ChatGPT is a tool that is obviously getting a lot of attention lately. There are lots of other artificial intelligence tools out there, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create a healthy meal plan. So the website is chat.openai.com. You can go there, create yourself an account. And what you want to do is have a conversation with the artificial intelligence. And you can input different information. The more information you give it, the better your results are going to be. So I did a few test prompts here just because it does take time for the results to come out. So my first prompt is right here. Act as a busy professional woman in her 40s who's trying to lose belly fat and tone her muscles. Please write a list of 5 different ideas I can make that are high protein and in fiber, but don't include red meat or pork. So this would be an example of something that you could do. It gives you some examples of some meal plans or dinner ideas that you could make that don't include red meat or pork. So grilled salmon with quinoa salad, it gives you some directions on how to do it. Lentil soup with salad, baked chicken with roasted vegetables, tofu stir fry with brown rice, grilled shrimp with quinoa and roasted asparagus. I think this is super fantastic and helpful when you're like me, who I'm consistently making the same meals over and over and over again. So this gives you some good ideas. So then I say, okay, this is great. Can you provide some breakfast ideas? So of course, we get some breakfast ideas using those same criteria: Greek yogurt parfait, avocado toast, and so on. So you can see that it's given me some really good meal plan ideas. One other thing you can do is, if you know your specific macros, if you're working with a coach or somebody who has given you some sort of macros, you can go to iifym.com. It stands for if it fits your macros, iifym.com, to calculate your macros, and then you could input it here. So you could say something like, please please create a 3-day meal plan for 1,500 calories with 150 grams protein and 50 grams of fat. Include lots of vegetables and fruit, but don't include chicken. If you know your carbohydrate numbers, you can do it. You can put that in there as well. This will calculate it just based on what's left over of the 1,500 calories. But I'm saying don't include chicken. Either I don't want to eat chicken, I don't like chicken, or maybe I've just been having chicken way too much lately. So what I'm going to do is say output the results in a table format. So one thing I have noticed with ChatGPT specifically, this one I asked for a 3-day meal plan. Specifically with ChatGPT, I have found that if you ask for anything more than that, it kind of gets hung up. So what you could do is, if you wanted to create a whole week-long meal plan, you could ask for 2 3-day meal plans, and then you can move things around, figure out what things you like, what things you don't like. You get to customize it for yourself. ChatGPT, artificial intelligence, should used for inspiration. You always want to make sure that you're, double checking accuracy for things, making sure that, grilled salmon with quinoa salad could very easily be more than 435 calories based on your portion. So you want to make sure that you're verifying all of these things for accuracy. But this is a great way to get some different ideas for healthy meals when you are trying to eat healthier, but you kind of get sick of making the same things over and over again. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please make sure that you share this with somebody who you think might benefit from it as well. And also please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.